Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zeplin for handing off brand UI design step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Zeplin website. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be presented with several options for signing up. You can choose to sign up using your email address or through a third-party service like Google or Slack. If you choose to sign up with your email, enter the required information and set a password. Read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. After filling out the form, click on the Create Account button. Once your account is created, check your email for a verification message. Open the verification email and click on the verification link provided. This will take you back to the Zeplin site, and you will be logged into your account. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will see an option to create a new project. Click on New Project to start setting up your workspace. You will be prompted to name your project and select a platform. Choose the platform that aligns with your design, such as iOS, Android, or web. After selecting the platform, click on Create Project. At this point, you can begin uploading your design files. Simply drag and drop your design files into the designated area. Zeplin supports various design tools, so make sure your files are in a compatible format. After uploading, you can organize your assets and components. Next, invite team members to collaborate on your project. Go to the team section and enter their email addresses to send invitations. Once your team members accept the invites, they will have access to your project. Now you can share style guides, design specs, and assets with your team directly in Zeplin. As you continue working on your designs, remember to sync changes regularly. This ensures that all team members have the most current version of your designs. You are now fully set up to hand off brand UI designs using Zeplin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.